How to use ChatGPT for online marketing. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can be used for various purposes in online marketing, such as customer service, lead generation, content creation, and personalization. Here are some ways to use ChatGPT for online marketing. 1. Customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into your website or social media platforms to provide automated customer support 24/7. Customers can ask questions about your products or services, and ChatGPT can provide instant responses based on its training data. 2. Lead generation. ChatGPT can help you generate leads by engaging with potential customers and collecting their contact information. You can create a lead generation chatbot that asks questions and provides valuable information about your products or services. 3. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you create content for your website or social media platforms. You can input a topic or keyword, and ChatGPT can generate relevant and engaging content for you. 4. Personalization. ChatGPT can be used to personalize the customer experience by providing tailored recommendations based on the customer's previous interactions with your brand. You can create a chatbot that remembers customer preferences and provides customized product or service recommendations. 5. Feedback collection. ChatGPT can be used to collect feedback from customers by asking them for their opinions or suggestions. You can create a chatbot that asks customers to rate their experience with your brand and collects feedback for further improvement. To use ChatGPT for online marketing, you need to choose the right use case based on your business needs and goals. You can either build a custom chatbot using ChatGPT or use pre-built chatbot platforms that integrate with ChatGPT. You also need to train ChatGPT with relevant data and regularly update it to improve its accuracy and effectiveness. Here are some reliable resources that you can refer to for more information on how to use ChatGPT for online marketing. How to use chatbots for marketing and sales by HubSpot. This article provides an overview of how chatbots, including those powered by ChatGPT, can be used for marketing and sales. It includes tips on how to build and implement chatbots in your marketing strategy. Why and how to use chatbots for marketing by Neil Patel. This article discusses the benefits of using chatbots for marketing and how ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots. It includes tips on how to use chatbots to generate leads, improve customer service, and increase conversions. How to use chatbots for e-commerce, and why you should, by Shopify. This article explains how chatbots, including those powered by ChatGPT, can be used for e-commerce. It includes tips on how to use chatbots to improve customer service, increase conversions, and reduce cart abandonment. The Ultimate Guide to Chatbots, Why They're Great for Marketing and How to Build Them by Buffer. This comprehensive guide explains how chatbots, including those powered by ChatGPT, can be used for marketing. It includes tips on how to build and implement chatbots in your marketing strategy, as well as case studies and examples of successful chatbot campaigns.